Traveling to places. History of transport. Early humans used to walk to go from one place to another. Gradually, they started using animals like donkeys, camels, and horses to travel. Then, the wheel was invented. People began using carts with wheels. The carts were pulled by animals. Then, the train engine was invented. This made traveling faster and easier. Now we use cars, scooters, trains, and planes. They all have engines and use fuel like petrol, diesel, CNG, or LPG. Transport is the lifeline of every country. It connects people and it is used for carrying goods from one place to another. We see hundreds of vehicles like cars, scooters, buses, and bicycles on the roads every day. These are called means of transport. Need for travel. We all travel from one place to another and require vehicles to travel these distances. We use different vehicles to travel to different places like we go to nearby market using a rickshaw or a bicycle. We go to school in a school bus. To visit our relatives or friends living far away, we use a car. We take either aeroplane or train to visit other cities and countries. Land transport. Vehicles which run on land are called as land transport. These are the most common modes of transport. In Kolkata, one more mode of transport called tram or tramcars are used. Road transport. Most people travel by cars, scooters, bikes, auto rickshaws, and buses. Buses are an important means of transport for traveling long distances. People in villages use bullock carts to carry loads and for traveling from one place to another. Nowadays, lorry is also used for carrying loads. Railways. Various cities in our country are connected by trains. They carry hundreds of people at one time from one city to another. Cities such as Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, Mumbai, etc. also have metro trains. They carry people within the city from one place to another in very less time. Water transport. Vehicles that run in water are means of water transport such as boats, ships, submarines, and steamers. Boats and ships carry people and goods from one place to another. Boats cover short distances while ships travel long distances. Cargo ships are used to transport tons of goods from one country to another. Submarines are used by naval forces. During war, they can attack ships and sink them in seas and oceans. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. It includes aeroplanes and helicopters. An aeroplane can carry both people and goods from one city to another over mountains, oceans, land, or sea. Helicopters can carry only a few people. They are mostly used by the Air Force and Army to reach dense jungles or high mountains. Special means of transport. Police jeep carries policemen. A fire engine carries firefighters to put out fire. An ambulance carries sick or injured people to hospital. A mail van carries letters and parcels from post office to different places in city. Ropeway transport is used to transport goods and people in hilly areas. Let's recall. Number 1, early man used to walk for traveling. Number 2, we all need different modes of transport to travel from one place to another. Number 3, cars, scooters, buses and trains are means of land transport. Number 4, ships, submarines, steamers move in water. So, they are means of water transport. Number 5, aeroplanes and helicopters fly in air. So they are means of air transport.